Today we are going to learn about generation of electricity. Here we are going to learn about different methods, how electricity is produced, how it is generated, how it is transmitted and how it is distributed. So first there is generation, then after that there will be transmission. The electricity will be transmitted, then it will be distributed to the consumers. So first हमें ये जानिबा कि कौन पाई आमरो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी वी आर प्रिफरिंग मोर अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. First thing is that it is clean, safe, reliable and many more advantages as compared to other sources of energy. So there are different forms of energy. As we know, there is thermal energy, wind energy, heat energy, different forms of kinetic energy and potential energy. But we are ultimately preferring electrical energy because it can be converted from one form to other form. It can be converted from mechanical energy, it can be converted from heat energy, it can also be converted from light energy. That's why we are more preferring electrical energy. Now the question is how electricity is generated, how it is produced and how it is transmitted and how it is distributed. There are different methods how we are generating electrical energy or how we are transmitting and how we are distributing. The first thing is that we are generating electrical energy through thermal energy, a thermal power plant, electrical energy also can be converted from hydro, solar, wind, tidal, geothermal, so in this method we are generating electrical energy. The first plant is thermal power plant, hydro power plant, solar, wind, tidal and geothermal. In these different methods we are generating electrical energy in India or in all over the world. So first ମୁଁ कहବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି about thermal power plant. Thermal power plant रे we are using coal as the main resource. So coal को आमे burn करिबा and we are getting steam and that steam will be given to the steam turbine which is coupled to the alternator that will generate mechanical energy or that will convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. So next is hydro. Here the main source or main resource is water. We are here ultimately converting potential energy of water to kinetic energy. Again that water, the kinetic energy of water again will be given to the turbine and their mechanical energy of turbine will be given to the alternator and that mechanical energy is ultimately converted into electrical energy. In India or in Odisha we have Hirakud power plant, that is one of the major resource of producing electrical energy in Odisha, which is in Sambalpur. Next is solar energy, or from solar we are converting electrical energy. Here we are using solar cells as our resource, or we are using the energy of sun and then we are utilizing the energy of sun and producing it to electrical energy. The main advantage of solar energy is that it is clean, cheap, easily available and this is environmental friendly. Next is wind energy. Here the major or the main resource is wind and this wind energy is converted into electrical energy. We are having windmills. From there it is converted into that windmills or wind turbines are coupled to the alternator, and that mechanical energy of that turbines is given to the alternator, and finally it is converted into electrical energy. Next is tidal energy. So here the main resource is tides. We are again using the energy from tides to convert it to electrical energy. And then finally we have geothermal energy. So these are major steps or major methods in which we are converting different forms of energy to electrical energy. Thank you.